Good day. So today we are dealing with converting decimals into fractions. So converting a decimal into a fraction. We all know that all numbers have a decimal point in them. And a fraction consists of a numerator and a denominator. So for example, if we have 0.25, we know 0.25 is our decimal. So to convert 0.25 into a fraction, first we draw our vinculum. Where the decimal point is, under the decimal point we put a 1, and for all the numbers on the right hand side of the decimal point we replace it with zeros. So this becomes 25 over 100. From here we can see that it can be simplified. So we can divide the numerator by 25 and the denominator by 25 to reduce the fraction to the lowest term. So 25 divided by 25 is 1, and 100 divided by 25 is 4. So therefore 0.25 as a decimal, 0.25 as a fraction, is 1/4. Example number 2. Let's have 0.5. So 0.5, again, first step, draw a vinculum, after which under the decimal point you place a 1, and for all the numbers on the right hand side of the decimal point you place a 0. So this becomes 5 over 10. Again, we realize that both numbers end in 0.5, so we know it's a multiple of 5, so we can reduce. We can say 5 divided by 5, 10 divided by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 10 divided by 5 is 2. So we know now that 0.5 is the same as 1/2 as a fraction. Example number 3. If they gave you 1.75, so this time we have a 1 in front here of the decimal. So what we'll do, we'll put our 1.75. First we'll draw a vinculum. Where the decimal point is underneath we'll put a 1, and for all the numbers on the right hand side we'll replace it with zeros. The one that is or the number that is in front of the decimal point, that will become the whole number, and the fraction will be 75 over 100. From here we can simplify the 75 over 100 or reduce it. So we realize that 75 and 100 could both be divided by 25. So this will reduce and become 1, and 75, 25 could go into 75 3 times, and 25 could go into 100 4 times. So this becomes a mixed number, 1 and 3/4.